my goodness. Cheers! Hope I'm doing this right. Wow. Annyeonghaseyo! Elaine from the future here. Today, we are super excited to show you some of our favorite Korean foods. We're going to try everything from traditional Korean barbecue to the more American-style chicken and beer, fried Korean bar snacks. We're even gonna try chicken feet for the very first time. Yum! We can't wait. Let's go. Our first stop on this traditional Korean food tour, k-bbq restaurant called Mingke. So good, it's worth the trouble. That was the best meal I think I've ever had in Korea, and we lived here for a year. And there are more spices. Not sure where to start, but feeling adventurous, we ordered some popular specials from the wall menus. We got some cold ice water, peanuts, some type of kimchi. As is common in Korean restaurants, you select your own cutlery from a drawer hidden under the table.
Gotta be clean.
After washing our hands, they brought out our hot coals and raw chicken wings, so we could start cooking. Raw chicken wings, we're gonna have to cook that well.
Okay guys, so we ordered this rice. It was better than the regular rice. I should have brought the microphone. Sorry about all of that. Let's taste this rice and see what it tastes like.
The rice was served in a traditional Korean earthenware bowl. It was delicious.
Very good. More mushroom flavor, mushrooms and onions. But good food.
Meanwhile, the chicken wings were sizzling away and almost ready to eat. Keep your hands clean so that when you eat the meat, you can take it off. No messy fingers. Ow, ow. Juicy. But it was absolutely delicious. Next up were lamb skewers. The bottom of the skewers had a little star-like metal shapes that fit into slots. Then the skewers rotated as the slots slid back and forth.
And what it does is it rotates it for you. Would you look at that?
The lamb, oh my goodness, so tender, so moist. And finally, it was time to add the chicken feet. We got chicken feet. We've never eaten chicken feet that we can remember, and we've certainly never cooked them. I don't think I've ever had chicken feet. We had no idea what we were doing. We always strive to try new things as we travel, and this was definitely a first.
Well guys, when you're in Korea, you gotta eat like Koreans do.
They were surprisingly delicious, especially when dipped into the dry seasonings. There wasn't a lot of meat, so to speak, but it was very tasty. It was all so good, in fact, it made me dance. Amazing. It was all amazing. I loved it. It's gonna be hard not to eat there every day. Our next stop is BHC to try some American-style chicken and beer with a Korean twist, of course. Annyeonghaseyo! We're super excited to try this chicken plate place. It is 5 o'clock and we have come out to find some dinner. It was pouring down rain on our walk here. 1 minute it is hot and sunny, and the next minute it is pouring down rain. Oh my gosh. We're about to get soaked. So let's check it out. We chose the garlic chicken, thinking it would be savory, but they surprised us and it was glazed with a sweet honey-like sauce, then sprinkled with garlic.
Before our meal comes, we got this nice pickle daika.
It was amazing.
Here we go. We got the food.
It's amazing. Huge, like, oh, smells so good and garlicky. Even though it wasn't what we expected, it was delicious. A few nights later, we went out to a Korean bar for some soju. At night, on the streets of Korea, changing adverts. Soju is made from rice traditionally and is the most common drink in Korea. It is customary for the youngest to pour for the eldest. It's pretty smooth, but we got some cider backs to help us wash it down. We also got some super crispy traditional style chicken wings and some cool Korean style fried foods. Don't ask me what they're all called, but we do know the noodles and seaweed are gimari. Liquid gold. All right, so running back in the rain the other day.
Oh my gosh.
Steven twisted his ankle and can't go anywhere. So I'm in charge of heading out to the convenience store to get us some snacks, which is 7-Eleven. Right there. Super close. Very convenient for us because our place is just up over there. And yeah, see what we can find. 7-Eleven in Korea is awesome. They have so many choices in snacks, even healthy options like kimchi. 7-Eleven snacks in Korea. So this is hot tuna gimbap, little pull tab. Yum. One thing we've definitely learned about Korean food is that it's often a lot spicier than we're used to as Americans, so always be cautious. Looks super spicy. So we've had gimbap before. We've never had this. Never even seen one of these. A variety of rice snacks. This is like a little dessert square. It's sweet on the outside. And then some little sausages. Super cute. Nothing like another trip to the 7-Eleven. Luckily, 7-Eleven didn't disappoint. All right, I just got the biggest score from 7-Eleven ever, and I'll take you back, show you what we got. Oh my gosh, we got everything. All right, this will be food for a couple days. We got 2 types of ramen, curry. I'll show you what we're gonna put that on in a second. Some noodles. These are amazing for dinners. Chicken, not sweet. It's really hard to find unsweetened chicken here. They're big fans of sweet chicken. Mystery chicken, we've not ever had this one. It looks good though. A little rice treat, so 3 different things coming here. Then we love these, not sure what they call them here. In Japan, I think they call them onigiris. But it's rice triangles, basically a sandwich stuffed with different things. This one has a spicy beef. And then, because it's Korea, kimchi. Now, what is this curry for, you ask? Well, we got a big, again, don't know the Korean name for it. In Japan, we'd call it a bento box. It's got everything. Can't read it, don't know. But that's what this is for. We're gonna put this beef curry sauce on this rice and cutlet. Dun, dun, dun. So that right there is a dinner. A dinner. Maybe a lunch. Dinner, lunch, you get the idea. 7-Eleven in Korea, amazing. The mystery meat turned out to be pork. All right, we have some gloves, so when you eat it, your hands don't get messy. Some type of a shrimp flavor packet maybe, and the meat. So, all right, still no idea what this is, but going to pop it in the microwave. We don't really know what this says, but we have been able to figure out if we just this and then this, that should do 2 minutes. All right, there's the finished product. Guess we'll put this sauce and hope it tastes good. Wish us luck. It was a bit unusual for us. Uh-oh, this might be hot oil sauce. Overall though, it was very tasty. All right, it looks crazy. Here goes nothing. That's amazing. Weird texture, but the flavor's great. All right, so I did what I said. I added the curry to the rice. You can't even see the rice really anymore. A little bit over there, a little bit over there. But anyway, this amazing bento box also came with sauce for the pork cutlet. So I've heated it up in the microwave. Everything is hot, and ta-da! The final product. Over the next few days, we got a bit tired of 7-Eleven snacks and decided we needed a change. All right, so our Airbnb lady ordered a pizza for us. We think this is ours, although we thought she was ordering from Pizza Hut. We ordered a pizza and wings though. I mean, it's wings and a pizza.
Yeah.
So we hope this is ours. That looks like the right kind of pizza.
It does look like it.
All right, hopefully we got our pizza. That was weird. Very cool, like, insulation they bring it in. Our Korean food tour didn't work out quite as we planned it. As always with traveling, it's an adventure. Overall, we got to try some amazing Korean foods and snacks. That's it for our food vlog here in Korea. If you're new around here, I'm Elaine, and my husband Steven is behind the camera. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕하세요. The humidity is so crazy here in Korea that as soon as I walk outside, my glasses immediately fog and I can't see where I'm going. Getting better. So I'm trying to figure out the trash and recycling. I bought a trash bag, but it doesn't look anything like the bags in here. The one I got is a big bag, so I'm a little confused. And then there are these bins, which might be recycling. Cardboard. Oh, I guess those are small bags. Garbage, general waste. We have no idea what we're doing. Oh! Haha! I can translate this. This side is color coded. I didn't see that. Alright, here we go.